Algebra's like sheet music. The important thing isn't can you read music, it's can you hear it. Can you hear the music, Robert?
Yes, I can.
It's curiosity as to where we are, or what we are. What we're looking for is how everything works, what makes everything work. The truth is so remarkable, so amazing. Many other people who have studied far enough to begin to understand a little of how things work are fascinated by it.
Maybe it's not new math at all.
It could be old math. Something that looks at the problem numerically and not theoretically. Math is always dependable.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena. In our obscurity, in all this vastness, there is no hint that help will come from elsewhere to save us from ourselves.